Hey guys, it's Riley and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a spring makeup look, and I'm just starting with the Bare Minerals Prime Time Primer and applying that to my entire face and kind of my neck. And now I'm going to be using the Too Faced 3-in-1 primer and priming my face again. And then the next thing I'm using is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer.
Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me.
Now I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fits Liquid Foundation and applying that to my face just using a regular beauty blender. After blending that in, I'm just going back in with the same concealer and applying it to my T-zone and underneath my eyes.
When the evening falls and I'm left there with my thoughts and the image of you being with someone else, well, it's eating me up inside. But we ran our course, we pretended we're okay.
And now I'm taking the Tarte Full Coverage Powder and just blending out all of my makeup.
Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave.
For bronzer, I'm just going in with the one from my Swamp Queen palette.
No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. So I'll go.
Just to add a little bit of more color to my face, I'm using a Revlon blush and applying it to the apples of my cheeks.
So I'll go.
For my liquid lip color, I'm not sure where this one is from, but it's kind of just a bright magenta color.
Lately, I've been thinking I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. Even though I might not like this, I think that you're.
Over the color, I'm just taking the Super Dupe lip gloss and going over it again.
Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right.
For eyeshadow, I'm using my e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, and I'm starting by taking a nude color and applying it to my entire eyelid just to kind of give myself a neutral base. And then I'm taking a very light orange and applying it to the crease of my eye and blending it in.
I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier.
After blending into my crease, I'm taking a light pink and applying it to the outer corners of my eye and blending it in. I'm also using that same pink underneath my eyelid as a eyeliner. Next, I'm just curling my eyelashes. I'm not sure where this one is from, but it doesn't really matter. And then I'm taking the Benefit They're Real mascara and just putting on my mascara. And finally, I'm using the highlighter in my Swamp Queen palette and applying it to the bridge of my nose and my cheekbones.